You wake up tired, even after 8 hours of sleep. You scroll through your phone, but every post makes you feel behind. Your mind never stops talking, but somehow it never says anything kind. You crave peace, but you can't find the switch to turn the noise off. So give me 9 minutes and I'll give you mental peace. Not through escape, but through Stoicism, the ancient art of mastering your mind in a chaotic world. Welcome to Stoic Blend, where ancient wisdom meets modern life. Today, let's uncover how you can reclaim calm, clarity, and control with just a few timeless Stoic shifts in the way you think. Minute 1-2. Understand the source of your anxiety. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Today I escaped anxiety, not by running away but by facing it." The Stoics taught that anxiety isn't caused by events, but by judgment about those events. You're not stressed because of deadlines, but because you tell yourself, "I can't handle this." You're not angry because of people, but because you expect them to be different. When you realize that thoughts, not life, create most suffering, you stop fighting the world and start calming your own mind. That's the first step toward mental peace in 9 minutes. Minute 3. Separate what you can control. Epictetus taught the first rule of freedom. Some things are up to us and some are not. Your peace begins the moment you draw that line. You can't control the weather, the economy, or other people's moods, but you can control your focus, your choices, and your reactions. So, take 30 seconds right now and ask yourself, what's in my control today? And let go of everything else. That's not giving up, it's growing up. Minute 4. Reframe every problem. Seneca said, "A gem cannot be polished without friction, nor a man perfected without trials." Every obstacle is an opportunity in disguise. Did someone criticize you? That's your test for humility. Did life disappoint you? That's your lesson in resilience. In Stoicism, pain isn't punishment, it's practice. The Stoics didn't ask, "Why me?" They asked, "How can I use this?" Once you make that shift, problems stop shrinking your peace. They sharpen it. Minute 5. Simplify your mind. Marcus Aurelius warned, if you seek tranquility, do less. The modern mind is addicted to clutter. Too many goals, too many notifications, too many worries. Peace doesn't come from adding more. It comes from subtracting what doesn't matter. So ask, what can I remove today? A toxic thought, a pointless argument, a comparison that steals joy. Simplicity is serenity. That's how the Stoics built quiet strength in a loud world. Minute 6. Practice presence over perfection. Anxiety lives in the future. Regret lives in the past. Peace lives in the present. Epictetus said, "How long are you going to wait before you demand the best of yourself?" You don't need a perfect life to be peaceful. You need a present one. Look around you right now. Notice one sound, one smell, one breath. That's where peace hides. In awareness, not achievement. For 9 minutes, stop chasing tomorrow, just be here. Minute 7. Practice gratitude as a shield. Marcus Aurelius began every day reminding himself, when you arise in the morning, think of what a privilege it is to be alive, to breathe, to think, to love. Gratitude is the most Stoic emotion was because it keeps the mind focused on enough. Write 3 simple things: clean water, a safe home, a quiet moment. When gratitude grows, complaints die, and peace finds space to live. That's the hidden secret of mental peace through Stoicism. It's not about wanting more. It's about noticing what's already here. Minute 8. Detach from outcomes. Seneca said, "He who is brave is free." Freedom comes from detachment, from doing your best and then letting go of results. You can't control success, but you can control sincerity. You can't control others' opinions, but you can control your integrity. When you no longer chase validation, you gain peace that can't be taken away. This is the quiet strength of Stoic calm, where effort matters more than outcome. Minute 9. Return to stillness. Marcus Aurelius described peace as the mind standing still. He said, "Nowhere can man find a quieter retreat than in his own soul." Close your eyes, breathe in deeply. Feel that you need nothing else right now. That's it. That's peace, not found, but remembered. In these 9 minutes, you've practiced everything the Stoics lived for. Awareness, acceptance, gratitude, presence, and control. This is how Stoicism gives you peace, not by changing the world, but by changing the way you see it. Let's recap the Stoic path to mental peace in 9 minutes. 1. Understand your thoughts create anxiety. 2. Control what's yours, release what's not. 3. Reframe pain as practice. 4. Simplify your focus. 5. Live in the present. 6. Protect peace with gratitude. 7. Detach from results. You don't need a new life to feel calm. You need a new lens. As Seneca wrote, "He who has peace within himself can bear any fortune, and so can you." If this message speaks to you, practice these steps today and for just 9 minutes. You'll be surprised how still the world feels when your mind finally goes quiet. Like, share, and subscribe to Stoic Blend for more wisdom that helps you live calm, strong, and steady. And tell me in the comments, which Stoic step brought you the most peace today?